Do you wake up with jaw pain, headaches, or tooth sensitivity? You could be grinding your teeth at night, a condition known as bruxism. It's more common than you think and can cause damage over time. Cracked or chipped teeth, worn down enamel leading to sensitivity, TMJ disorders causing jaw pain and headaches. The solution, a custom night guard, a simple, effective way to protect your teeth while you sleep. At our dental offices, we create personalized night guards that fit perfectly and keep your smile safe. Schedule your consultation today and let's protect your teeth from nighttime grinding.